Hey guys, it's Danielle from Take Care Mama coming to you today from my kitchen. We are watching Christmas movies as a family, so I'm gonna pop up some popcorn and I thought I'd take you along. You're gonna need a heavy bottomed pot with a lid, popcorn kernels, 1/2 cup, and 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Okay. I'm gonna put my 2 tablespoons of coconut into the pot, and we are gonna put the stove to medium heat. The oil is melted. I have my 1/2 cup of kernels, and I am going to put 3 in the hot oil. And after all 3 have popped, then I'm going to transfer the remaining kernels. This ensures that the heat is hot enough and it's dispersed evenly. Alright, we got one. Usually it doesn't pop out like that. And you can actually put the lid on too. I should have done that. I heard 2. We're waiting on 1 more. Take a peek just to make sure I'm right. There's 1 more waiting to pop. Okay, I heard it. It was pretty soft. Now we're gonna pour these in and put the lid on. I'm gonna get some mitts on. The handles are pretty hot, and kind of just go like this so it's an even layer. And every 15 seconds, I'm just gonna shake it, and I will sometimes vent the lid to let some air out. You can see it's here, it's already going. The popping is slowed down. I just turned the heat off. I'm going to continue to shake and put it on the grate. And for the big reveal, yum! So you can serve as is, or you can top it. We personally love melted butter and salt, good old classic. So I'm just gonna melt some butter, add some salt, and we will continue on our movie night. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please give the video a thumbs up and consider subscribing. And until next time, take care, mama. Bye, guys.